all of you have a curiosity how the classes will go, what will be the system, what you will be learning. So regarding that, instead of me, the learners of Champion Academy, they will be able to give you the authentic information. আমি বলছি যে আপনাদের ক্লাস সম্পর্কে কি শিখবেন, কিভাবে শিখবেন, শেখাটা কাজে লাগবে কিনা, আসলে আপনার কোনো উন্নতি হবে কিনা, আসলে আপনি ইংরেজি বলতে পারবেন কিনা, এই বিষয়টা আমি বলার চেয়ে আরো ডিরেক্টলি, আরো সুন্দর, মানে আরো সঠিকভাবে বলতে পারবে যারা আমাদের আগের ব্যাচগুলো অংশগ্রহণ করেছে, তাই না? কারণ তারা ফার্স্ট হ্যান্ড এক্সপেরিয়েন্স নিয়েছে। আমি অ্যাজ এ টিচার আমি অবশ্যই সবসময় পজিটিভ দেখবো, কিন্তু আসলে এটা কেমন ইফেক্ট হয়েছে সেটা আমার ওই লার্নাররাই বলতে পারবে। ফর দ্য রিজন আমি কয়েকজনকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি, আপনারা কেউ কি কথা বলতে ইন্টারেস্টেড আছেন নিউকামারদেরকে রিয়েল পিকচার দিতে?
জি জি
ওকে, আবুল কালাম ভাই, জি বলুন।
Yes, sir.
Okay, Naurin is there. Who will go first then? Okay, Mr. Hassan Imam. So Abul Kalam bhai, you go first. Take just 1 minute time. It's being very long. Abul Kalam bhai, 1 minute.
Assalamu alaikum. Congratulations to everyone for joining this fantastic spoken English course. I am Abul Kalam. I am a student at Champion Online Academy. Our honorable teacher, Principal Bakibillah sir, is teaching us very fluently. So I hope that we all can be success in spoken English in this course. So thank a lot of all. Thank you very much.
আবুল কালাম ভাই, আপনার মধ্যে কি প্রথম দিকে কোনো ভীতি ছিল যখন কোর্সে ভর্তি হয়েছেন ইংলিশ বলার ক্ষেত্রে? সেই ভীতিটা এখনো আছে কিনা? এখন কতটুকু কমেছে বা কমেছে কিনা? আদৌ
অনেকটাই কমে গেছে, 60-70-80% কমে গেছে।
কমেছে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। বাকিটুকু আপনার প্র্যাকটিসের মধ্যে দিয়ে ইনশাআল্লাহ হবে।
This is Rajaul Karim. I am a student of Champion Online Academy. I came from Faridpur and live in Dhaka at Ustura. I want to say something about for newcomer. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Thank you very much who are joining today as a newcomer at our Champion Online Academy to learn spoken English. I think you are lucky person because nowadays it is essential for everybody. So on the other hand, our teacher Principal Maulana Bakibillah is a different type of academician. His English teaching system is very smart, friendly and effective. So I am damn sure if you attend the class regularly, inshallah, you will be able to speak in English fluently. I hope you will be connected with our Champion Online Academy. Lastly, thank you very much. I hope I want to finish my speech here. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, Mr. Razal Karim. Razal Karim, আপনি কমার্স ক্লাস করছেন আমাদের সাথে কতদিন হলো?
Last 2 months.
2 months হয়েছে। এর মধ্যে আপনার প্রথম যে লেভেল ছিল এখন নাকি তার থেকে পরিবর্তন হয়েছে কিছু?
অনেক ভালো আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। I am very proud.
Thank you.
Of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. আচ্ছা, এই হলো রেজাল কারিম সাহেব যখন টিচারের কথা বললেন, আসলে টিচার হিসেবে সবাই যোগ্য টিচার। টিচারদের যদি কিছু টেকনিক প্রয়োগ করেন আর স্টুডেন্টরা যদি সেটা ফলো করেন কনসিস্টেন্টলি, তাইলে যে কোনো স্টুডেন্টেরই পরিবর্তন উন্নতি হতে হবেই। তো আপনারা যারাই যুক্ত হয়েছেন বা হবেন, if you are consistent, তাহলে অবশ্যই it will make a big difference for you. এটা যেই টিচারের কাছে আপনি যান না কেন।
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you all of you. Thanks to our newcomer friends and congratulations and welcome to our second batch or second batch. And partly thanks to give our principal, Mr. Bakibillah sir, to arrange this type of course. It's very important for us. I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Nori Khan from Pabna. I'm student of Honors third year Honors Department of English Literature. Though I'm a student of English, but I was weak in English. In December 2020, I found a notice that announced 10 free class, English free class, spoken free class for all district. Then I have got a chance to participate that to our teacher, and I completed all of class. It was that class was, though it was 10 class, but these classes increased my learning thirsty. I was very interesting to learn from our teacher. Our teacher told us that he will start a course at Champion Online Academy. Then I requested sir to start that course and give me a chance to learn again. And finally, our teacher started a new way for learning and developing ourselves. Now I can say that I'm learning many more things. And I'm going to give my some feedback that I can, when I started my online class, then I joined secondary high school as an English teacher. This course, developed me, and I can speak fluently, and I can try to speak fluently. My pronunciation is increasing, getting better. I can participate as a secondary teacher. I can presentation, I try to presentation. Okay. Our teacher, Mr. Sir, is a pioneer for me. Thank you, all of you.
And good evening, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Hassan Imam, joining from Jashore, and I am one of the proudest students of Champion Academy. Actually, proficiency in English as well as mother tongue has become an essential factor for keeping with today's world. And also at present, English language proficiency has become an important factor for career development in our country. I'm a banker by profession, already I told you that. And so for my career development, I have to face, I have to join some program where I have to talk with English, and I know English a little, but I couldn't speak in public place. Actually, there are some inertia. So I wanted to learn spoken English in a academy, so I enrolled in an online spoken course at Champion Academy to improve my English fluency. We have already attended the course and already passed 3 months. The duration of our course has almost come to an end. And I think I was admitted to the right place to learn spoken English. I have been able to overcome my inertia in speaking English by the dedicated efforts of our team teacher, Bakibullah sir. I wish every success of Champion Academy. Actually, what we have learned last 3 months that I was not learned in before, and it's helped me to speak publicly and to remove my inertia. And the teaching method which Bakibullah followed, which helped me actually to improve my fluency. And I think all of my co-students or co-students, they have a lot about spoken English. And I wish every success of this course actually. And I think if our newcomers continue this course, I think they will be able to speak English within 3 months. Of course, we have to dedicate. We have to practice more. And I think under the guidance of Bakibullah sir, you will be improve your spoken English immediately. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Rohan. I am a student of class 9. Mm, I am already a student of Champion Academy. I think Champion Academy is better than any other coaching and academy because our principal and Kafibillah sir take our class very nicely and fairly. After admit Champion Academy, actually I improve my learning English and writing English. So I say everyone, please continue your everyday class or maintain your class because one day you say you will be improve your class.